Hey there. I am Mo, your DIY guide. Today's DIY installation of truck battery. So let's start. You will need the following. You will need battery terminal brush/wire brush, pliers set, old rags, drain pan, wrench set. Step 1. Open the hood and locate the battery. Make certain all switches and accessories in the truck have been turned off. Step 2. Remove the cables from the battery terminals. Step 3. Clean the terminal clamps. Step 4. Replace the battery. Step 5. Spray the terminals with lithium grease. This will prevent corrosion. Step 6. Reconnect the positive/negative terminal using wrench. Some tips you should remember. Wear eye protection when you start the process. Don't force the connectors. If they just won't come off, take the truck to a pro. Dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling location. Stay tuned for more Automatics DIY tips.
Automatics DIY. Get access to DIY auto repair manuals now.